What if Rolls-Royce created the most elegant superyacht the world has ever seen? Meet the Rolls-Royce Phantom Ocean 130, a breathtaking 130-meter concept superyacht designed not to impress with speed, but to redefine what true luxury feels like. Inspired by the timeless elegance of the Rolls-Royce Phantom, every curve of this floating masterpiece is handcrafted to deliver absolute serenity on the open ocean. Its satin Arctic white titanium body flows effortlessly above the water, while polished silver accents, endless panoramic black glass, and the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy sculpture integrated into the bow give the yacht an unmistakable Rolls-Royce identity. As the yacht glides silently across the sea, it feels less like a vessel and more like a five-star floating palace built for royalty. Step inside and you're welcomed by an extraordinary grand reception hall featuring a magnificent floating crystal staircase, handcrafted walnut wood panels, Italian calicotta marble floors, hand-woven silk carpets, and thousands of individually placed fiber optic lights that recreate a glowing starry sky across the ceiling, an unmistakable tribute to Rolls-Royce's legendary Starlight headliner. Every lounge is designed like a private royal residence, where oversized panoramic windows frame endless ocean views, while natural daylight fills the interior with warmth and elegance. Hidden fragrance systems gently perfume every room with a signature Rolls-Royce scent, while invisible acoustic panels ensure complete silence, allowing guests to hear nothing except the soft sound of the ocean. The owner's residence occupies an entire private deck and feels more like a luxury penthouse than a yacht. It features a royal bedroom with a handcrafted canopy bed, a private ocean view breakfast terrace, an elegant fireplace lounge, an executive library filled with rare leather-bound books, a private art gallery displaying priceless masterpieces, and a dedicated piano salon centered around a handcrafted white grand piano. Instead of futuristic digital screens everywhere, every detail celebrates timeless craftsmanship. Hand-polished wood, brushed aluminum, crystal lighting, and soft natural fabrics chosen by master artisans. Moving to the upper decks, you'll discover a breathtaking sky garden surrounded by hundreds of living trees, rare flowers, waterfalls, and peaceful walking paths that make you feel as though you're floating through a private botanical paradise in the middle of the ocean. Nearby, an elegant afternoon tea pavilion serves handcrafted pastries beneath a transparent glass canopy, while a luxurious observation terrace allows guests to enjoy spectacular sunsets from custom-designed Rolls-Royce lounge chairs. As evening arrives, a magnificent open-air ballroom transforms the upper deck into one of the most luxurious entertainment spaces ever imagined, complete with a live orchestra stage, crystal chandeliers suspended above the dance floor, and panoramic ocean views in every direction. Hidden below deck lies an exclusive collector's gallery showcasing rare vintage Rolls-Royce automobiles preserved inside a climate-controlled glass museum, along with a luxury watch vault, a bespoke jewelry exhibition room, and a private tailoring studio, where every guest can have custom suits and evening gowns handcrafted during the voyage. A dedicated wine cathedral stores thousands of the world's finest bottles beneath illuminated stone arches, while a Michelin-starred dining salon offers unforgettable culinary experiences prepared by internationally renowned chefs. Powering this floating palace are Rolls-Royce's next-generation silent hybrid marine turbines, engineered to deliver an exceptionally smooth and vibration-free journey while preserving the peaceful atmosphere that defines the brand. Every movement feels effortless, every corner reflects perfection, and every detail exists for one purpose: to make time itself slow down. Designed for only 14 distinguished guests and attended by a crew of 50, the Rolls-Royce Phantom Ocean 130 isn't simply another luxury yacht. It's the ultimate expression of timeless elegance, handcrafted perfection, and the quiet confidence that only Rolls-Royce can inspire.